Hi guys, it's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last sat down and filmed a beauty video for you guys, and it feels really kind of odd to be honest, but here I am. I just like to apologize for not being consistent with my beauty uploads lately, and honestly that's mainly because I've been incredibly busy during the work week and in my day job. If you have followed me on Instagram, you would know that I've been in and out of the country a couple of times in the last couple of months for work. And even though I am very grateful for the opportunity, but it can be pretty taxing on me, even though it's a short trip, or they are short trips. And furthermore, it's just like my days are just really busy. I don't know where time goes sometimes, and when I come home I am too tired to do anything, and over the weekends I usually keep them for me to kind of hibernate and to spend time with my husband and also my family, which also means that I just cut off all other time for like other things, because I feel like I don't get to spend a lot of time with my loved ones during the work week. Even though I haven't been consistent with my beauty videos, I have been posting a little bit more or more frequently on my vlog channel that I recently just started with my husband Khairun. So please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified as to when we upload a brand new video. And basically that's where Khairun and I kind of we kind of see it as an avenue for us to express our creative freedom in terms of production and filmmaking, because it's something that we are both very interested in. It's an avenue for us to express our creative freedom. So yeah, you can go and check it out. So from now onwards, all of my vlogs will be put there in that channel. So if you like daily vlogs or like day in the life of kind of vlogs, you can go and subscribe to that channel. But also if you are interested in beauty and beauty content, you can subscribe to this channel. But anyway, that's enough rambling. It's kind of like a quick what the hell happened to Tiara section of this video. But why I was so inspired to sit down and film today is because number one, tomorrow is a freaking public holiday. Yay! Happy Christmas to those of you who are celebrating, and for those of you who are not, I hope you enjoy your public holiday. And number two, recently I've been watching a lot of Malaysian makeup artists videos on Instagram and on YouTube. So the most recent YouTube video or the YouTube channel that I've been binge watching from a Malaysian YouTuber or makeup artist is actually Syedewa. Followed him on Instagram and I keep seeing him on my popular page, and I love the kind of makeup he does, and as well as some other Malaysian like makeup artists as well. I feel that Malaysian makeup artists' signature look is very soft and very like effortless. So I am going to try to follow his makeup tutorial on myself. He did it on someone else, or a makeup model, but so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into this video, and let's hope that I do not fail terribly and miserably. And yeah, let's just try it out, you know, try and error, right? Alright, so this is the video that I am referencing from. It's the casual chit chat makeup top with Nakia Rahim. So it's this really nice, like, I just really like how it looks like, okay? Right, so I've already prepped my skin and I'm gonna go in with brows, which is the first thing that he did on the makeup model or the YouTuber. And I'm so sorry about my skin, you guys. Like, my skin is not having it recently. I have like little breakouts, like right here, here, and my forehead. I do not know. But yes, I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna be taking my XL brow pencil. I've been back into this pencil because it's just so easy. And in the video, he didn't really overly like draw the model's brows at all. It was really kind of like feathery, so I'm just gonna keep it like normal. Right, Right, what else did he do? Right, so next he actually applied foundation on the makeup model, and he didn't use a primer. From the videos that I watched of him, he doesn't really like to put primer on his clients or his models, but I like to do that. So I'm gonna be using my Tatcha I'm gonna be using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I usually look at how much I've used this. Like, it is insane. Oh, you can't see, but oh my god, look at that. I'm almost done with it. Next, for foundation, I'm going to be using something that I've not used on camera before. I'm going to be using the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. By the way, I'm so sorry if you can hear like a humming sound. That's because outside my window, like downstairs, like there's construction happening, so I am so sorry. This is actually quite a good foundation. It lasts really long on the skin, so yeah. I'm gonna start with a pump first, and then this foundation has pretty good coverage and it's very long wearing. The only gripe I have about it is that it's like it oxidizes slightly, but not so bad. And another thing is the fragrance. It smells really strong. Now that we're done with the foundation, I'm gonna go in with concealer. And today I'm gonna be using the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. Do one eye at a time. I feel like I want to put a little bit of concealer on my forehead as well, just to kind of, and my nose and my chin. The next product he used is a loose powder. He used the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which I also have, but today I'm not going to use that. Today I'm going to be using this. This is the Hourglass Veil powder, and oh my god, this is like my new favoritist powder, if there was such a word. It's really good. And then I'm gonna take a powder brush. This is a brand new powder brush that I got from 13 Rushes. It's called the Luxe Powder, and oh my god, this brush is so freaking soft. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna take whatever that's left again from the Hourglass product, like the cap and like this thing, and I'm just going to dust it all over my face. I'm gonna leave the powder under my eyes to catch any fallout on my eyeshadow. Oh man, this is what happens when you wear black. Powder all over you. I'm gonna be taking an eyeshadow primer. Watched the video a little bit and I realized that he finished the face first, so I'm gonna do that. He started with contouring or bronzing up the skin, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using this palette right here from Hourglass. I saw this palette, I was like, number one, it's purple, love it. Number two, it has these amazing, gorgeous shades. So today I'm gonna be using this shade right here, and it is called Tilted Bronze Light. And then he went on to apply blush, so I'm gonna do that as well. I don't think he used a blush. I think he just used like bronzer, but I really want to wear blush. So I'm gonna mix these two shades. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna be using from the same palette as well, because for this particular look, he didn't, like, the YouTuber didn't really fancy like a like blinding highlighter, so it was more like subtle. And the shade that I have in here is called the Strobe Powder Euphoric Strobe Light. Now moving on to the eyes, the first thing Syedewa used was a cream base, and he used a Tarte cream base, which I do not own. So the nearest one I have is actually the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Indianwood. So it's just this coppery shade. It's not exactly the same, but it will do. Right, then he used a blending brush to blend it out. Okay, then he used the Urban Decay Backtalk palette, which I don't have. And oh shit, what shade did he use? Right, so he used like a pinky shade, which I don't have, but I'm gonna be taking this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna pack that on, I'm gonna blend it, I'm gonna put it on top of the eyeshadow base that I placed just now. Oh, he used a flat brush. Okay, let's just follow what he does. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use this color instead. And then he blended it out. Okay, then he used a purplish, like a purplish shade, like a darker shade, which I do not have. So I'm gonna use from the Mauve Obsessions. Got to pause. I'm gonna be using this shade right here from the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. Yeah, so he used a darker, like purpley shade and put it like right at nearer, closer to the lash line. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do. And then I'm gonna blend where the two shades meet. And then the next thing he does is he takes a blending brush again and he goes in with his contour shade. I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy blending brush and just blend everything. Guys, this will not look like what he did, okay? It will not look the same at all because I'm using different products and I am not super skilled. He used the darker shade and put it on the lower lash line. And he brought like the lower lashes, like the shadow on the lower lash line like really low. The bronzer shade again to blend the lower lashes out, or lower lash line out. Something like that. I think lah. Right, and then he took a cream champagne eyeshadow, which again I don't have, but I have something else. This is the Kiko Milano eyeshadow in the shade 200. Is this really pretty champagne shade? So I'm gonna take that, and he said to he put it on the center of the lids like a cross. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna blend it out. Then he put it in the inner eye corners as well. I'm happy with that. I'm not gonna touch it anymore. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then coat them with mascara. Now that I have my mascara on, the next thing is to put on lashes. Today I am gonna be using the Lavie lash in the style Chloe. Right, now that the lashes are on, the next thing he does is then he applies his eyeliner. So how they do it is how he does it is that he kind of uses the lashes as a guide. At least that's what I think so. I'm gonna be using my Dolly Wink black eyeliner for this, and then I'm gonna add a wing and also to kind of hide the lash band and the inner eye corners as well. Oh my god, creating a wing after you put a lash is actually quite hard. No, oh shit, no, this side. Okay, so he didn't go all the way in like I did, but I got no skills, so. Alright, then mascara on the lower lashes. I'm gonna take this small brush by 13 Lashes. I don't know what is this brush called, but I'm gonna dust off my under eye powder. I'm gonna be mixing these two shades. This is not what Syedewa does. He doesn't even bake under the eyes because I think the shadows that he was using wasn't really that like powdery, but the Huda ones that I'm using are. So I'm just gonna click this off. The thing he does is actually apply highlighter, and even though I applied one just now, but he actually uses a cream highlighter as well. So I'm gonna, oh my god, I'm so sorry if you're watching, like I'm butchering your makeup tutorial, whatever. Anyway, I'm using the Hourglass Vanish highlighting stick in the shade Gold Flash, and I'm just going to use a sponge to apply this on the tops of my cheeks. And then he uses Fix Plus to spritz the face. Last but not least is the lips, and if you are not aware, Syedewa has his own like cosmetic line, and he used his own product. It's a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Paris, which I don't have, but I'm intending to purchase. So to substitute that lip shade, I am going to be using Huda Beauty's Bombshell. Alright, I feel that Bombshell works, but it's a little bit too peachy, so I'm going to use Anastasia's Lovely instead and just pop it on top. Or because I'm still not satisfied, I'm gonna take Velvet Vanity liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade In Bloom, and I'm gonna kind of just dab it with my... I'm just gonna dab a little bit on. And I think that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna remove my clips and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it and thought that I did an average job at following Syedewa's makeup tutorial. Don't forget to follow him on his Instagram and his YouTube, and check out his cosmetics as well. I'm definitely going to purchase some of those lip colors because I think they're very bridal appropriate. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel with Karen as well, which I will link down below and in the card section at the top right hand corner of your screen. And one last thing is to always remember to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified as to when we upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video.